Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I will be sharing with you a list of 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that are all connected to the creative writing prompt keyword list, and these keywords are absolutely profitable. They're amazing, they're easy to create books for, and you can be able to benefit from them and earn from them through multiple ways, either having them as an ebook by slightly changing the lined sheets to a ebook format and removing the lined sheets and creating a prompt per page. I will show you exactly how to do that step by step in the upcoming video. Alternatively, also you can create a prompt journal that you can sell as a paperback on Amazon KDP. And here in my storefront, I have created a couple of creative writing prompts that are themed. This one's for coping and healing and helping to process and manage OCD, bipolar. This one's for autism. This one's for ADHD, a fantasy creative writing prompt, a science fiction creative writing prompt, as well as many more. 2 prompts related to Valentine's Day, a manifestation one. So the choice is up to you. If it's something that you're looking for, to be able to use one of these prompts, either the ones that I personally made or any other journal creative writing prompt available in Creative Fabrica by any other seller, that will really help to serve as a shortcut for you. All you would need to do is upload these the full PDF file to Canva, Affinity Publisher, or Photoshop, whatever tool that you use, and then slightly change around the font, the image, make it a little bit unique and re-upload to Amazon KDP. Or alternatively, you can go ahead and create your own completely from scratch. That way you would be able to have the design and the style that you want. But one thing is for sure, I really want you to take advantage of the Amazon KDP keywords that I will share with you today, because they are extremely profitable. We're going to talk about a couple of important steps to help you to niche down, and strategies and tips that I will be also implementing. So the first keyword is story starters for kids ages 8 to 12. Now, story starters for kids ages 8 to 12 has a beautiful keyword niche score of 71, very strong right here by Self-Publishing Titans. And a story starter is somehow connected to a creative writing prompt, because a creative writing prompt gives you an actual prompt to get you started on creating a storyline that revolves around this prompt. So it tells you exactly what you need, sets the scene, sets the situation, the scenario, the characters for you, all within 1 or 2 sentences, and then you go from there. This one's catered for children between the ages of 8 to 12. Now, although this is a beautiful keyword, one thing to note in mind is that you need to be able to niche down in order to be successful. For example, we have the audience right here. To be specific, they are kids between the ages of 8 to 12. It's not clear whether they're boys, whether they're girls. We have the type of books which are story starters, so creating a story starters with a prompt on each page, for example, and having a lined sheets after that prompt to really give that space to write the story and doodle or draw or sketch or anything like that for children. And also you need to determine the theme of it. So what would be based on science fiction, dinosaurs, robots, AI, horror, mystery, fantasy, that kind of stuff. Is it animal based? The choice is up to you. We have a total results of 2,391, which is also good to see. It's within that 1,000 to 2,000 range. Also, we have the average bestseller rank to be in between that 300,000, my apologies, to 400,000, and it is currently averaging 379,548. The average reviews are 524. Average price is $13.22. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to ignore the number 4 given by Amazon's Cat Pro Chrome extension, because it does not complement this beautiful data that we have right here. And this is exactly why you need to activate all 4 free Chrome extensions in order to compare the data and really formulate a objective view on each keyword to determine whether it's something that is worth for you to pursue or not. My job here is to do the most of the research, share these keywords with you, give you some tips and strategies to over deliver, and rank your book as easiest as possible, and then the choice is up to you. So that's our first keyword for the day, story starters for kids ages 8 to 12. Let us quickly dive to the second keyword for the day, which is also connected to the creative writing prompts. And this one's a creative writing prompts journal for adults. Now, this is a beautiful example of a keyword that you will be using possibly for the 7 keyword slots when you are creating a creative writing journal for Amazon KDP. Why? Because of the total sales being a little bit too high in the 5,000 range, and the average bestseller rank being higher than we expected in the 800,000 range. Yet this is a beautiful keyword that will open the doors of opportunity to get your book discovered for any client or any customer that goes in and searches this keyword. And you can see this strategy being implemented by many of the wonderful, amazing, successful independent publishers. Right now, as you scroll below, you can see this keyword being used not exactly as it is, but being used in the 7 keyword slots to get the book ranking. This one, for example, doesn't use that exact keyword as part of the title or subtitle, but I'm assuring you that they do use this as part of the 7 keyword slots, and this is why they've managed to rank their book in the first page on the second result without any ads. This is not sponsored. There are no current ads running, and they have managed to get a bestseller rank of 42,672, selling around 150 copies per month, generating around $577. Now, there are other factors that come into play, possibly because of the keyword that they've intended to use for the title or the subtitle as well, but this is also a major part of their success. It's using this keyword in 7 keyword slots. We've got other books as well that are connected to this exact keyword that have managed to sell quite well, and they are using this keyword as part of the 7 keyword slots. Also, we have the average reviews are a whooping 3,020. We have the average price as listed $13.42, and also a keyword niche score of 51 and a keyword niche score number 7 by Amazon Scout Pro, which works beautifully together and complements each other that way. So that was for the second keyword. Let us quickly dive in and have a look at the third and the final keyword for the day. And our final keyword is creative writing prompts for adults cards. This is an amazing keyword on so many scales. This is a keyword that you can use for your title, for your subtitle, or alternatively for your 7 keyword slots. So choose each of whether you want it to be belonging to any of the 3 groups that I said. So the keyword niche score is a super high 81 by Self-Publishing Titans Chrome extension, which is amazing. And also we have Amazon Scout Pro extension confirming the strength of the keyword by giving us a number 9, which is the highest on the scale of the keyword niche scores, categorizing this keyword as a great niche. Coming to the total results, they are sitting under 1,000 and the total results of 553. The average bestseller rank is also within that 400,000, so it is quite acceptable, and it is currently averaging 491,436. Average reviews are 192, and the average price is $17.91. Now, although it says the creative writing prompts for adults cards, we are using the exact same strategy that we'll be adopting that we've talked about, the flash card book type of cards here. Exactly. So you can create the interior of the book based on the layout of it, like as in its cards. Input the prompt on each page, or if you want, you can create on each page 4 or 5 card shaped boxes, and then the prompt inside each of the boxes, and then a cut through to allow the customer, if they want to cut through, laminate, use as is, for example, and you will still be fulfilling your promise that they will be card based books that way. So these were the 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords to do with the creative writing prompts niche. This is part 1. I will be intending to hopefully do part 2 as I go along to help you to select the right keywords for your title, subtitle, and 7 keyword slots. All the best, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.